Hello everyone, welcome back to Plag.ai today. I'm Dr. Naeem Shahid, and in this video, I'll be sharing 5 powerful AI tools that can truly transform your research journey. Back when I was doing my own research, artificial intelligence tools weren't nearly as common or accessible. A lot of my time was spent manually managing documents, conducting literature reviews, drafting papers, and checking for plagiarism. Today, the landscape has changed. With the help of AI, much of this process can be simplified and significantly accelerated. So if you're a researcher, a Ph.D. scholar, or even a student trying to make sense of academic work, this video is for you. And no, this video isn't sponsored. All tools mentioned here are ones I've personally found useful, and many of them are absolutely free. Let's dive in. Number 1. Research Rabbit, your smart literature companion. Imagine a platform that helps you organize and explore academic literature just like Spotify recommends music. That's Research Rabbit. Here's how it works: you upload papers or add topics of interest, and Research Rabbit recommends related studies. It visually maps out a network of relevant papers, co-authors, and citations, making it incredibly easy to trace important works in your field. It's especially helpful if you want to identify highly cited research or explore the work of a particular researcher. You get both depth and breadth in your literature review without going through endless Google Scholar searches. It's completely free, and the creators have no plans to make it paid. That's a win for researchers everywhere. Number 2. ChatPDF, understand any research paper with ease. Academic papers can be dense, technical, and time-consuming. Enter ChatPDF. With ChatPDF, you upload any PDF, and it lets you ask questions about the content. It's like having a conversation with the document itself. Whether you're struggling with complex terminology or just want a quick summary, ChatPDF simplifies things for you. It's especially helpful when entering a new research domain or trying to quickly grasp key ideas without spending hours deciphering the text. Want to know the methodology? Just ask. Curious about key findings? Ask that too. And yes, it's free. 3. Trinka, precision editing for academic writing. Trinka is more than your average grammar checker. Designed with academic and technical writing in mind, Trinka helps polish your manuscript by checking grammar, style, sentence structure, technical correctness, formal tone. When I tested it with a previously published paper, it still found over 200 areas for improvement. That's how thorough it is. It also offers additional tools like plagiarism checks and citation reviews, but I personally found its language and style enhancement features most useful. The free plan allows you to edit up to 5,000 words, which is quite generous. So before submitting your manuscript, be sure to run it through Trinka for that extra level of refinement. Number 4. Consensus, AI search backed by science. Next up is Consensus, a tool that brings scientific research to your fingertips by answering your questions based on peer-reviewed papers. Think of it as a smarter alternative to Google when it comes to academic queries. Instead of blogs or SEO-optimized articles, Consensus delivers answers backed by scientific evidence. Whether you're exploring a new hypothesis, validating a concept, or just clarifying your doubts, this tool ensures your information is grounded in real research. And yes, it's free too. The combination of search engine plus scientific database makes it a powerful tool for any scholar. Number 5. Plagiarism check with Plag.ai, fast, reliable, real-time. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about Plag.ai, an AI-driven plagiarism detection tool. Plag.ai compares your work against billions of documents in real time, including content published just minutes ago. This level of responsiveness makes it stand out from many free plagiarism checkers online. For casual use or academic projects, the free version might be enough. But if you're submitting your paper to a journal or conference, I'd suggest going for the paid option, which is surprisingly affordable, often under $10 per report. Compared to expensive monthly subscriptions, this pay-per-use model is a great deal for researchers working on a budget. Putting it all together, your AI toolkit for research. Here's a quick recap of how you can integrate these tools into your workflow. Number 1. Use Research Rabbit to gather and organize relevant literature. Number 2. Turn to Consensus when you need science-backed answers to tough questions. Number 3. Rely on ChatPDF for summarizing and understanding research papers. Number 4. Edit and refine your paper with Trinka before submission. Number 5. Ensure originality and credibility with Plag.ai plagiarism checker. Using these AI tools doesn't just save you time, it helps you do better research and, ultimately, publish stronger papers. Bonus resource: learn research paper writing from scratch. If you're interested in mastering the art of writing a research paper, I offer a full course that walks you through the process from beginning to end. While AI tools can help, writing a high-quality research paper still requires critical thinking, structure, and strategy, which no tool can completely replace. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Trend.ai today, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more research tips and AI insights. Good luck with your research, and may your next paper be your best one yet. Thank you for watching.